Hello?
Hello!
Are you a dog?
Yes!
I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah.
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah.
We're totally dogs!
Yeah, both of us.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today also I'm here with new video, especially funny animals video. I hope you will enjoy this video, and these funny animals will make you laugh. So guys, watch this video full. If you enjoy this video, you can give a big thumbs up, you can like this video, and also if you have any suggestion, you can write in the comment box. And guys, share this video with your friends, family. And also guys, if you want to see like this more funny animals and want to make your day good, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, now let's start this video. Let's see these funny animals and let's laugh. Okay, this is golf time. Okay, playing golf.
Somebody call
look how-
999.
Okay,
We've got a
here we
cutie
go.
bomb on our hands.
Oh my god, look this cute boy.
did you just
Oh,
see
he's so
him?
cute, so cute. He's just wake up. Oh. What? Want to drink some water? What? Why he's angry? What? Look, this boy. Look.
Rocky, what are you doing up
It's
there?
funny up there. What?
Mom, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down. Get down before I call Mum. I'll call Mum.
Look, this is a big boy. Oh my god, look, they are swimming in the ponds, enjoying. Oh, they found the ball. Look, he's not leaving his brother, look at. Oh my god. Oh, such cute dog. Oh my god, look this. Okay, this is a birthday, his birthday. Wow.
Happy birthday.
Oh my god, he ate that all.
True. I have an important
Okay.
question to ask you. I have a really important question. Can you look at me for a second? Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? Do you?
What a lucky dog.
Don't be suspicious.
Okay, now he's enjoying all food. Look that mouth.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Oh, hi
Oh my
there,
God, look, this
friend.
little puppy.
It's
Oh.
me, you're human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give
Oh
you your
my-
boops. Boop. That's
Oh
right.
my God.
Boop.
So cute.
Oh,
Oh, look,
oh my
now
God,
dog
Tony.
and crocodile, they are best friend or
Tony.
what?
Watch out. Don't move.
Okay. okay, they are in the hiking. Look that dog, he's enjoying. Wow, they are in hike. Wow. Bark in progress. Oh, he's learning how to bark. It's very low sound.
When I wake up in
Okay.
the morning, touch
Look
his
there how
little
he's sitting.
flooster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
That's just my baby dog.
Wow,
That's
look,
just my
look,
baby
this
dog.
cute dog. Wow,
That's just
my
my
God.
baby dog.
What a cute puppy, guys.
Don't be ugly. Please
Okay,
don't
let's
be
see,
ugly.
let's see.
Please.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my god!
Looks like a panda.
Hello, baby!
Okay, look, there is a dog.
Oh!
Wow. He responds, dear child. Turn up your volume. Wow. Look, this cute puppy, oh my god. What a cute puppy, wow. Wow. It's cute. What? Oh my god, look at this little puppy, oh my god, look how he's running home.
I like the
Okay.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Wow. Let's see what is happening here. Oh my god, look, this dog is honking. Going on. She copied Wanda. No. So cute puppy. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, what is going to happen here? Let's see. Oh my god, look that here. Okay. Wow, this dog is very Smart dog, look that. And baby, oh, what cute one.
You know, it's like, oh.
Okay. Okay, he know what to do. Wow. What am I smart dog? Smart dog, guys. So guys, what's your dog name? Write in the comment box. Let me see.
No, you just lay around in bed all day. You don't even do anything. Why don't you go outside
Oh my God.
and
He's
play with
having
the
a very
ball?
good day.
So
Look
you just sit around
how
getting
he's
fat.
sleeping. Look that.
Huh?
Okay, did this to my dog. Now he hide there. Okay. Look. Now dog is surprised. Where is Master gone? Look, he's horsing. Oh my God. Oh, look that boom. Okay, it's time to face us drink. It's time to drink water. Okay, you know how to drink.
This is my dog Duck.
Okay, this is a swimming
About 10
time.
times a
Look.
day I'm forced to come over here because he's dropped his ball.
Look.
And he just stands. He just stands until somebody gets it for him.
Oh my God, look.
Jesus.
Okay, look, that puppy is trying to come out from there. Oh, look how he came out. Oh my God.
You found the mouse?
It's
No.
up here.
Where? What's Hammy
Okay.
doing up there?
Dad, it's down there. Help.
Look how dog is talking.
Okay, look, this? Hamilton, this is just a green gummy bear.
Squeak.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Oh,
If you're
they know
happy
how to
and you
do it.
know it, do a spin. If you're
No.
happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Wow,
You are
look
my
how he's
best friend. We will go
Okay,
for
look, this
walkies,
dog
and
is-
we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun
What a
forever
beautiful
and
dog.
ever and
Best
ever.
friend forever.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you a
Oh.
dog?
Yes.
I am also a dog.
All right.
Yeah.
We're dogs.
Yeah, we're
We're
dogs.
dogs that live near each other.
Hey, are you guys dogs?
Funny
Yeah,
conversation.
Totally dogs.
yeah, both of us.
Wow.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see
Okay.
my fluffy dog.
Oh, look at- oh my God, how cute is that? Oh. Okay. Ice water. Oh, cold water. Okay, look that little one. Okay. Oh man, no, they broke this door. Oh, that is very wild.
Right there.
Okay, it's torturous. Oh no, he want to eat the what? Wow, look that dog, how he's enjoying, how he's happy to have his friend. Okay, look that. Okay. Look.
It was a big yawn. He's so affectionate.
You're my honey bun.
Oh my God, look that fat boy.
You're my sweetie
Oh,
pie.
look how
You're
cute.
my cupcake
our bad boy is here. Cute. I love this dog, guys.
My eye. And I
Wow,
love
look that,
you
look
so.
that.
And I
Cat. Look this boy, what? I got my dog chewing furniture, so I put him. Look that. Look, he's feeling guilty for what he had done there. Okay, look. Very sad. Oh, our little boy is collecting wood. Look at how big is that.
Here we
He's
go.
one boy.
Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna
Okay.
mess this up. Here we go. Ready?
Here is our cute boy.
Hi, Max.
Okay.
And Shadow.
And here is our...
Mowgli.
Okay.
And Riley.
Oh.
If you like my
Wow.
puppy and you think he's really neat,
So
you
cute.
should like this video so he gets another treat.
Wow,
I
look.
think he's really cute and I bet that you do too. If you like my puppy.
Wow, look at what he's doing. Look how he's sitting there. Oh my God. This is funny. This is funny. This is funny, guys. Look. What he's doing there. Look how he's sitting. Okay, look here. Look. Biting his own tail. Okay. That was childhood. Now it is what? Look, this boy.
Is that your mom?
Okay, okay. Look, this little one. Look what he's doing. Okay.
Don't worry, she's coming.
Okay, waiting for his mom. Oh.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom,
Wow, look
Puppy.
how many
and
puppies
now
are there.
we're TikTok famous.
Okay, look this. Hello, look. It's cute. Can I help you? Okay. Look that.
The wonderful thing about
Lazy.
tickles.
Okay, look this dog. Oh my god.
The bottoms are made out of springs.
Look
The
how
punky,
happy
trunky,
it's.
flunky,
Oh
punky,
my
fun,
god.
fun.
I love this dog. Okay. Oh, look our fat boy. Oh no, he couldn't get up there. Okay. This is fat. Oh, no. Again, this two fat boys. Okay. He's not going up. Look. Okay. As was the child. Look, this horse. He's playing with his horse. So cute. Okay. This is funny. Wow. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this funny animals video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also if you have any suggestion, you can write in the comment box. So guys, for today this much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.